Question number 1. Which institution released the State of Food and Agriculture (SOF) a 2021 report? Option is A. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), B. NABARD, C. NITI Aayog, D. World Bank. Answer is A. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) notes the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) released the State of Food and Agriculture (SOF) a 2021 report. As per the report, food costs could increase for up to 845 million people if a disruption to critical transport links occurs. It also highlighted the need to make agri-food systems resilient to address food security. Question number 2. Who inspired the Young Bengal movement in the 19th century? Option is A. Ramtanu Lahiri, B. Henry Vivian Dorozaev, C. Rasit Kumar Malik, D. Pyare Chand Mitra. Answer is B. Henry Vivian Dorozaev. Notes: Henry Louis Vivian Derozio, 1809-1831, was assistant headmaster of Hindu College, Kolkata, a radical thinker and one of the first Indian educators to disseminate Western learning and science among the young men of Bengal. He constantly encouraged them to think freely, to question and not to accept anything blindly. His teachings inspired the development of the spirit of liberty, equality, and freedom. His activities brought about intellectual revolution in Bengal. It was called the Young Bengal movement, and his students, also known as Derosians, were fiery patriots. Question number 3. Who among the following edited and published the newspaper Indian Mirror in 1861? Option is A. Amitava Ghosh, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Sumit Ganguly, D. Manmohan Ghosh and Devendranath Tagore. Answer is D. Manmohan Ghosh and Devendranath Tagore. Notes: in 1861, the newspaper Indian Mirror was edited and published by Manmohan Ghosh and Devendranath Tagore from Calcutta. Question number 4. The first president of the Indian Home Rule League 1916 was. Option is A. Joseph Baptista, B. Annie Besant, C. N.C. Kelkar, D. B.G. Tilak. Answer is A. Joseph Baptista. Note: Indian Home Rule League of Bal Gangadhar Tilak was launched in April 1916 and Home Rule League in Sept 1916 by Annie Besant. Joseph Baptista was the first president of the Indian Home Rule League established in April 1916. Question number 5. Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Jnana Yoga are the works of which among the following social reformers of India? Option is A. M. G. Ranade, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Ramakrishna Paramhansa, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Answer is B. Swami Vivekanand. Notes: the true nature of our lives is represented by four governing forces, i.e., mind, body, emotion, and energy. To achieve this, there are four paths of yoga, viz. Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga. In the 19th century, the four paths of yoga were expounded by Swami Vivekananda. Question number 6. The only licensed flag production unit in India is located at which among the following places? Option is A. Mysuru, B. Hubli, C. Dharwad, D. Nagpur. Answer is B. Hubli. Notes: Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha in Hubli is the only licensed flag production unit in India. Question number 7. Swaraj Party was outcome of which among the following incidents? Option is A. Chauri Chaura, B. Quit India Movement, C. Arrival of Simon Commission, D. Bardoli Satyagraha. Answer is A. Chauri Chaura. Notes: the Swaraj Party was formed on 9 January 1923 after the Gaya Annual Conference in 1922. Chittaranjan Das was the president and Motilal Nehru was the secretary of the organization. The organization was formed in opposition with Gandhiji's suspension of non-cooperation movement on 5 February 1922 after the Chauri Chaura incident. Question number 8. The dual government introduced by Pitt's India Act continued to operate in India until it was abolished by which of the following laws? Option is A. Government of India Act 1858, B. Charter Act 1853, C. Indian Councils Act 1861, D. Indian Councils Act 1909. Answer is A. Government of India Act 1858. Notes: the Government of India Act 1858 marked the beginning of new chapter in the constitutional history of India. The act, known as the Act for the Good Government of India, provided for liquidation of East India Company and transferred the powers of government, territories and revenues to the British Crown. Government of India Act 1858 provided that India was to be governed directly and in the name of the Crown. This act abolished the company rule, abolished the Court of Directors and abolished the Board of Control. This act abolished the dual government introduced by the Pitt's India Act. The principle of doctrine of lapse was withdrawn. Liberty was given to Indian rulers subject to British suzerainty, and it also opened some door for Indians in government services. Question number 9. Lord Wavell was the Viceroy of India at which of the following events? Option is A. First session of Round Table Conference. B. Cabinet Mission Plan. C. Formation of Congress Ministries in the provinces. D. Quit India Movement. Answer is B. Cabinet Mission Plan. Notes: important events during the Viceroyship of Lord Wavell Cr. Formula was discussed between Gandhiji and M.D. Ali Jinnah, 1944. Naval mutiny took place in 1946. In a trial happened in Red Fort. Cabinet mission came to India in 1946. Interim government was formed on 2nd September 1946. Direct Action Day was declared on 16th August 1946. On February 1947, Clement Attlee announced about the intention of the British to quit India by June 1948. Question number 10. Yudhabhyas is a military exercise between option is A. India UK, B. India USA, C. India Russia, D. India Israel. Answer is B. India USA. Question number 11. Who among the following was the founder of Bihar Vidyapeeth? Option is A. Abdul Kalam Azad, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Lokmanya Tilak, D. J.P. Kriplani. Answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Notes: Dr. Rajendra Prasad established Bihar Vidyapeeth with Mahatma Gandhi and Maulana Mazharul Haq in 1921. Thanks for watching. Support this channel.